Hi there, welcome to Sandi's Chinese class, and this is the very first class. Let's start learning some Chinese. 今天我们开始学习中文。今天我们开始学习中文。The translation word by word is 今天 today 我们 we 开始 begin or start 学习 study or learn 中文 Chinese. So today we start to learn Chinese. Okay, let's break this down and take a closer look word by word. The first word, 今天, it means today. 今天. And be careful that when you're saying this word, you don't have to roll your tongue at all. It is 今天, 今天. And when you're doing writing, be careful that for this character, the upper part, it looks like this. The stroke on the left-hand side is a bit higher than the stroke on the right-hand side. And it does not look like this one, and it's not this one either. So for these three characters, they actually have very different pronunciations and very different meanings. So we have to be careful here when we are doing the writing for this character. 今天, 今天, today, 今天. The next word, 我们, 我们, it means we, 我们. And for 们 here, it actually has a neutral tone. There is no tone marking in the pinyin. So when we are saying this character, we want it to be light and de-emphasized. 我们, 我们. So for 我们, 我 actually means I. And with 们 here, it means we. I have another example here. 他 means he. So with 们, 他们, it means they. So 我, I, 我们, we, 他, he, and 他们, they. The next word, 开始, 开始, it's a verb. It means begin or start. 开始, and for 始 here, you need to roll your tongue when you are saying this character. 始, 始. And I have here a screenshot from Wikipedia with this word, 秦始皇. It means the first emperor of Qing dynasty. And the second character is 始, and it means the first in it, 秦始皇. And 秦始皇 is literally the very first emperor in the entire Chinese history as well. So 始, it has the meaning of the beginning or the first. And the word that we are learning today is 开始, 开始. The next word, 学习, it means study or learn. 学习, 学习. And you may find this second character familiar because it's also the surname of our current chairman or president in China, President Xi or Chairman Xi. So now you know the correct pronunciation for his name. It's Xi, Xi, and 学习, 学习. The last word, 中文, 中文, it means Chinese, 中文. And I have here some more examples. 中国, 中国, it means China, the country. 中国 and 中文 is the language. So for this column, these are all countries. And for this column, these are all languages. So for this character, 中, it means middle or center. I think we've got this name because once upon a time, we thought that we were the center of the whole world. Our country was like the center of the whole world. Well, who doesn't? For all of us, when we were a baby, we thought that we were the center of the whole universe. Anyway, so 中国, 中文, and 英国 is England or Britain, you can say that. And we have this character 英 from transliteration of England, 英国, and 英文 is English, 英文. And 法国, we have this from transliteration as well. It's France, and 法国sounds a bit similar. 法国, and you've got this already. 法文 is French. So 中国, 中文, 英国, 英文, 法国, 法文. Okay, so to sum up for today, 今天我们开始学习中文. Today we start to learn Chinese. 今天我们开始学习中文. 今天我们开始学习中文. Okay, I hope you enjoy the class. Feel free to let me know if you have any comments or suggestions, and I'll see you next time.